All right, a slow-moving storm system continues to track across Arizona, and it's showing up pretty obviously here on the satellite and radar. Rotation very obvious. Scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day today, some becoming strong, particularly down across the south central deserts. And of course, we just had that tornado warning earlier at the top of the hour out over rural areas near Loop, and we'll talk more about that in a second. This upper level area low pressure slowly is going to track off to southeastern Arizona tomorrow. There's still going to be some wraparound showers, particularly around the Mogollon Rim, right around from Flagstaff off towards eastern Arizona. So we'll continue with chances of showers mainly through the evening tonight and then once again tomorrow afternoon. And just a little heads up on this area low pressure, we're going to be watching this thing over the next week, because what models do is take it down into Mexico, where it just spins for several days and then actually goes back out into the Pacific and then comes back across Arizona once again in about another week. So we could be dealing with this thing once again about a week out from now. Okay, taking a look at the radar right now. Here we are in Flagstaff. Some showers just still to the south moving in, but they're rapidly diminishing. We did have that tornado warning earlier, and that was just up to the northeast of Loop, and it was only active for about 5 or 10 minutes or so before it rapidly diminished. There's no more tornado warning at this time. Lots of moisture still being pumped up into the eastern Mogollon Rim and White Mountains, but much more quiet as we take a look into the western portion of the state on the back side of the low. Chilly day, of course, 55 degrees, our high temperature. Flagstaff Pulliam Airport checking in just under 4/10 of an inch of precipitation. This storm on a total all 3 days. It started Sunday. We're just right around an inch of precip. Since January 1, we're 20.93 inches, and that's 4 inches above average on the calendar year. Okay, taking a look at the rainfall totals across the state, and these maps are hard to read, but let me just kind of walk us through it here. Flagstaff's right here. This is the 24-hour rainfall totals, and I also overlaid or underlaid these colors, and that is radar estimated rainfall over the last 2 days with this storm. As you see these hotter colors, just Flagstaff south along the rim and then off into the eastern Mogollon Rim. Some rainfall totals up around 3 inches across portions of the Coconino and Tonto National Forest. So a very healthy, widespread rainfall with this storm system. All right, how about up on the San Francisco peaks today? These pictures out of Snowbowl. Looking up, you see a little white up there in the clouds. And if you get to the top of Chair 1, looking quite white up there. So I think when the peaks do break out of the clouds tomorrow, we'll be a little snow-capped up there. Temperature outside right now, 46 degrees, cloudy skies, winds out of southwest at 8 miles per hour. Tonight, I think our best chance of showers and thunderstorms are in the next hour or so. And then things kind of rapidly wind down, at least in Flagstaff, throughout the night, and really quiet down for a good portion of the region, particularly during the overnight. And then a chance of some showers out there tomorrow. But we'll just go partly cloudy, a little bit warmer, 63 degrees as we see the sun break through quite a bit more out there for our midweek Wednesday. 77 Sedona, Payson 70, Winslow 72 degrees. And yeah, the extended forecast looking quite nice. High pressure builds back in, and it's mostly sunny skies the whole way through with high temperatures right around 70. And we're still dodging the freeze bullets, so grow season for many of us keeps on going.